Boxing's arts, they move our hearts to show us soul/yes some ways I tell best. Boxing, how to free other people from war and from all the impositions of people not how to speak, knowing how to speak about war, torture. You guys have to not jump in and change things when people talk outside of courts, outside of formal legal locations, where we need here to show what's actually recorded. So this employee, all formal. In other words, please do what's right and get them on paper, because they switch names at the branch, forging names, switching names. To hide what came first, too. Before they're putting fake motives, and they know that's recorded. I've been asking Judge Napolitano because Fox News recorded, confessed, demonstrated, confirmed. They have rolls with a whole bunch of names at the locations next to them, with people on off WFSB, on off WTNH. Rolls with names on all sides of criminal and civil cases, and on all sides of the courts, and originally and still. This is what makes so simple to speak about seem so hard. Because also we are sensed, even if we are a majority of country, of people, even if we are a majority of countries. That's why and how, part of why and how, right in so many ways, others communicated for our founders in our faces. So I'll start, must shout back, at least some pace. Species. Babayados sees. Don't be a Babayados. Don't be Babayados sees.